Hey everybody, I'm here to show you how to go from an improper fraction to a mixed number and from a mixed number to an improper. I'm going to make this video a little bit brief. This is a review from 4th grade, but it's something that is necessary to use in 5th grade math. So the first thing I'm going to do is go from a mixed number to improper. Okay, so if I have 2 and 2/4. To go from a mixed number to improper, first of all, a mixed number is something that has a whole and a fraction. And an improper is where your numerator is bigger than your denominator. Okay? There's going to be several different times that you may have to go from a mixed number to improper or vice versa. So I feel like it's important for you to remember how to do this. So I start in the bottom. 4 times 2 is 8. And then I add my numerator. Plus 2 would be 10. Okay? So that's my new numerator and my denominator stays the same as a 4. So multiply, add, denominator stays the same. Okay? You also know a whole in fourths is 4/4, so there's 2 wholes, which will be 4/4 plus 4/4. And then you have a 2/4, so when you add that up, my denominator stays a 4. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. That's the long way of doing it. This is the shortcut. Okay, another example real quick. 3 and 1/6. Start in the bottom, multiply. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 1 is 19, and my denominator stays the same. Or 3 wholes, which is 6, 6, 3 times. As you can see, this gets to be a little bit more, especially when you get to bigger whole numbers. 6, 12, 18, plus 1 is 19, 6. Okay, so now, if I have 19/6, and I need to go to a mixed number, remember you can interpret fractions as division. So I can divide 19 divided by 6. So I'm going to do 19 divided by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24. It can only go in 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. And I subtract, and I'm left with 1. So this is kind of like your V when you did Big 7. It's just kind of more of a circle now. 3 and 1/6. The whole number and then 1/6 as your denominator. Okay, or if I had 12/3 as a improper fraction, I can interpret this as a division. 12 divided by 3. How many times will 3 go into 12? It'll go in 4 times. 3 times 4 is 12. And I subtract and I'm left with 0. You have no remainder, so it's just a whole. 4. Or you can see 4 and 0/3. But 0/3 is equal to nothing. So it's just 4. Okay, one more example that does have a remainder. 13/4. 13 divided by 4. 4, 8, 12. Can only go in 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12. I subtract and I'm left with 1, and that is 3 and 1/4. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. Send me an email, comment on Google Classroom. We can do a Zoom, whatever you need to help you out during this crazy time. I love y'all and miss y'all. Thank you.